In this video, I'm going to show you how to decompose and compose fractions using multiplication, division, and the number line. So here I have a number line. This number line shows thirds. I partitioned it into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Remember, the first line is always 0 on the number line, so I've labeled it with 0 thirds. So my number line shows thirds. Let's decompose 1/3 into 4 equal parts. So if I want 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Does that look like 4 equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's 4 equal parts. Now, if I want to find out what the equivalent fraction to 1/3 is, I can use multiplication. So I started with 1/3. I made 4 equal parts out of 1/3, so I need to multiply the number of parts in my whole by 4 and the number of selected parts by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So if I have fourths, 1/3 here is equal to 4/12. I'll write it up here. I could go ahead and continue labeling this number line. Like if I had 2/3, that's a non-unit fraction. And I wanted to find out how many fourths are in 2/3. Again, I could multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. So 2/3 would be equal to 8/12. Now, if I started with the fraction 4/12, and I wanted to find out what the equivalent unit fraction to 4/12 would be, we already know because I can see on my number line that 4/12 and 1/3 are at the same spot on my number line. But you can also find equivalent fractions using division. So I started with 4/12. And I want to get to a unit fraction, so I need to divide the number of selected units by itself to get 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. We divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4/12 is equal to 1/3.